Hey, what's up, my Collision family? My name is Christopher Gardner. I'm from Washington, D.C., born and raised. Home of Go-Go, home of all the Washington teams, home of Chuck Brown, you know? I've been playing the drums ever since I was 5, or ever since. Matter of fact, it wasn't even 5. Well, yeah. Matter of fact, it was 5. That was it. That was the first time I was able to actually sit down behind the drum set without any help. But I've always had drumsticks in my hands from the time I was a baby. If it wasn't drumsticks, it was pencils or anything that resembled a drumstick. I would be banging on everything, my mom would say. But I grew up in church playing the drums. So if you know anything about church, the black church the music is very heavy. Like you think you at a gospel concert or at a rock concert or something like that. But like I said, I grew up in church playing the drums. I've been around so many drummers that has influenced me and still to this day, they still influence me. I'm able to stay in contact with some of those who actually, helped me in my journey. It's like I said, still helping me in my journey. One is my cousin. Love that man dearly, man. Like, love him dearly. I'm gonna just say that. Matter of fact, him and my aunt. My aunt is a keyboard player, so she helped me with my ear when it came to music. But like I said, grew up in church, did all that. Music runs in my blood, as you can tell. My mom was a singer. My sisters are singers. My nieces and nephews are singers or musicians. So, a big musically inclined family, as you can see. But let's get to get deeper into my musical background. The artists that I play for currently, they go by the names of Dreamy Alpha. He is an Afro and hip hop artist. And also Chantel Longest. She is my cousin. She's a gospel artist. We actually play together just about almost every Sunday at church. I back her up at different types of events, like church events, gospel events, and stuff like that. It is such an amazing experience. I've also played behind Jacqueline Carr. I recently played behind her last year at a church convention. I opened up for John P. Key at the church convention the year before last. So the list goes on. That's just a few to name. But I am currently also doing independent work on the side as well. I'm working with some homies. We do this thing called live karaoke. One is called Sounds and Spirits, where it's a large collective of musicians of us here in the DMV area. We pretty much just host and back up singers that come through. Some of them are actual well-known singers, or some of my local artists who are becoming well-known singers and artists as well. Also, I do, but that also ties into with our R&B karaoke events. They both are with the same group of people. So one of my videos will actually be one of the videos that I will be posting for y'all later on in this video. That will be my video. But we get to the sticks, man. The sticks that I use are the Collision 5As and the Collision the Collision 5.8 customs. I love them. They feel so amazing. Like they really feel amazing in my hands. I can't complain about them at all. I've came across a lot of different sticks that whereas made my hands feel so weird after playing, but using Collision, I haven't had no issues with them at all. So I'm gonna tie that into my 3 to 5 things that I love about y'all. The feel of the drumsticks, the durability of the drumsticks, the family-oriented company which y'all are. I love that, because not every group, not every company actually reach out to their artists and actually talk to them and see if they need anything or if they're okay. Y'all actually do that, you know. Even if it's like the lower end musicians, the lower end drummers, you know. Y'all still reach out to them. Those top companies, they don't even look at the lower tier people. So I love that about y'all. Y'all stay on top of us. Y'all keep us motivated. Y'all help us brand. Y'all help build us up. That y'all give us tips on how to become a better drummer, a better musician, a better artist. Because at the end of the day, we are artists as well. But there's so much I can say about you guys. But I'm gonna end this video to piggyback on what I said earlier about the video that I was gonna show y'all. The video that I will be showing y'all, it is from the Sounds and Spirits live karaoke event. I am playing behind one of my good friends, Alexis. And she is singing Jill Scott, Is It The Way? So I hope y'all love it. I know y'all gonna love it. I had fun playing it. Like, as you can see in the video, we was going crazy in that place. But let's get to the video.